One of the challenges I have when I'm busy doing a production like this is text-to-speech. My pip here, really cool application, got it through AppSumo. And I want to put in some text here. If you check at the bottom here, it says naught of 3,000. So it takes 3,000 characters at a time. So often I'd take it and paste and then find I've over-pasted, or I paste under the amount and I want to maximize it. And it's always a nightmare to know where I'm going to. There are quite a few online programs that, claim that you can check all of this. But I'm going to recommend one now that I use, which is the good old Google Docs. Google Docs is really, I'm starting to use it much more than just, as an alternative. It's really got some really great features. So this is one of them. So if you go up to Tools, you can go to Word Count. If you click there, a dialog box pops out, and that gives you your whole character count of your document, the words, how many pages, how many characters. But this is the point here. If you go to display word count while typing, you can do that. And then, okay. Look here at the bottom here, what pops up here. There is a hide word count, pages, etc. So if you're going to, I assume if you're going to words, then when you select, it will tell you how many words you've got. But if you pop that down there and you say you want to go for characters, which is what I'm going to go for, then you left mouse button click and look what happens. As you drag, you just wait a little bit. You go there, it does a count, and then you can scroll down, go till that point. And as you see here, I've got to 2,720 characters. I could go further, but this is a concept, a thought over here. So I've just put some asterisks here, just as a marker so that I know when I do the copy and paste, I've got that in that space. Isn't that quite cool? So there we go. And if we go down to this next one, see here, I pushed it a bit more. But I mean, you could go to the last letter, but because this is going to be copied in text-to-speech, I want to let it make sense in the direction that it's going. Really cool feature. Thanks to Google again. They put these little hidden treasures away for us. Have a blessed day, and shalom to everybody.